welcome back to today's video. Hope you all are doing well, and today's video is going to be slightly different and very interesting. Today I will be trying out this Kerato hair fiber which I have bought from Amazon. Actually what happened, I have seen lot of videos and lot of pictures on internet going viral where people are trying out these hair fibers and getting fuller hair. So I thought of trying it, and definitely I'm going to share my thoughts upon this Kerato hair fiber. So yeah, if you are interested in this topic, please keep on watching. So in case you do not know what are hair fibers, let me tell you in brief that hair fibers are powder which camouflages your hair loss very nicely. So if you have problem of thinning hair just like me, or if you have bald patches, or if you have alopecia, this hair powder can be a boon for you. There are many hair fibers available in the market. I went for this Kerato hair fiber because I felt it is quite affordable if you compare to the other hair fibers which are available on Amazon, and then it is cruelty free. It has no nasty ingredients in it, and it says that it is made up of keratin. Now keratin is the same protein with which our hair is also made of. So I really thought of it will be nice for my hair, it will be good for my hair. So yeah, I bought it, and definitely I'm going to use it in front of the camera and show you the results also. Now this hair fiber comes in 4 different colors. I have the black one with me. You have to choose the hair fiber according to your hair color. There are different shades of brown also available of this hair fiber. There are dark brown, light brown, and normal brown also. I'll put the link in the description box. If you want, you can just go ahead and check it out. Now this hair fiber can be used by men and women. So my hair is very thin, that's the reason I went on and bought this hair fiber. And yeah, now I'm going to show you how I apply this hair fiber on my hair. Now whenever I do this middle partition, I always find a big gap in between my hair. So here only I will be using this Kerato hair fiber. I'm just sprinkling this powder all over my hair. My hair is shampooed, I must tell you that. And after that, I'm just using this powder. After sprinkling this powder, I'm going to just pat it well so that it just settles in my hair. You can see the difference, guys. The gap between my hair is lessened and it looks really natural and flawless also. Now here also you can see that my hairline is very thin. So here also I'm going to apply this hair fiber, and within seconds you can see the results. So as you can see, that gap is slowly filling up. Now I'm just dusting the powder little bit. It doesn't become messy at all, but you can see the difference, right? So guys, as you have seen, this product really worked wonderfully on my thinning hair. It really reduces the scalp visibility, and if you have fine line problems also, it is going to solve that too. You need to remember one thing before you go and buy any hair fibers, that you must have some amount of hair on your head so that this powder can grab onto. Otherwise, what is going to happen if you are totally bald, you don't have any hair on your head, and you just apply this powder, it will look very artificial, and the powder will be visible. Only this thing you need to remember before you go and purchase any hair fibers. Now let's talk about the pros and the cons of using this Kerato hair fiber. I don't really have much cons, but I will start with the con. That when I was applying this hair fiber in my hairline area, I found that little bit powder was falling here and there. Actually it was nothing, still too I wanted to mention it. I just used a brush to dust it off. So I would suggest that if you're putting on makeup, before putting the makeup only, you need to just use this powder to just avoid this small hassle, only this much. But when I was using it on my crown area, it was just fine. Now I found this hair fiber pretty affordable because when it comes to hair loss, there are various options. One is medication, which takes time to show results. Now the other one is hair transplantation, which is very costly, and not everyone wants to undergo that treatment. So in that regard, I found this hair fiber really very affordable. And at times we want instant results. At times you are going for a wedding, you are going for a party, you are going to attend a meeting, and you just want a solution. That instant solution this hair fiber can give you, guys. It can instantly give your hair that fuller look. it looks so natural, guys. Means not only on the camera, if you just buy this product and use it and go it in the broad day sunlight also, it is very hard to understand that you are using a hair fiber. Now one more question you often think about it, you know, that is it going to fall off from my hair? Now let me tell you, honestly, it is not going to fall off from your hair like this. If you do like this, if you do like this, nothing is going to happen. But if you just, you know, muscle your hair like this, definitely is going to come out. Another question which comes in our mind, that is it safe to use? Will it cause any hair loss? Now let me tell you, it is very safe. It is not at all dangerous. You can definitely trust this product and use it. Taking off this product is very simple. You have to just shampoo your hair and everything comes off, and you will be getting again a clean and clear scalp. So guys, this was all for today's video. If you have found this video interesting and helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit on the bell icon. See you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.